Here's the app called Pi Make Better Friends. So interesting new app live in Chicago, the Bay Area, and Austin. Still sit tight, will get you soon, or move here your call. So it's the Pi social app on the mission to defeat social isolation. We make it easy to make new friends. We envision a world where finding things to do with people you love should be as easy as calling an Uber. So events and plans you enjoy and people you will love hanging out. So you can discover local events and connect in real life, join a community. Pi helps you create recurring in-person interactions. So discover fun things to do, easy chat, see who is attending, poll your friends. So pretty cool app. And this is if you just create an account, this is what you will see in the app. You can see some events. Right now it's only available like in these three places in US. Then you can see details, you can see who is attending, this page is who is open to. Then you can just try to join it. Then you can see friends, find your friends. Then you can see your plans. Then you can see chats. You can start a new chat, and then you can see your account. Then you can see your bio, your interests. You can add your Twitter. You can add settings, and then if you want, you can delete your account. So kind of like the app like that, and then you can just go and tap maybe, and then if you want to see chats about it, then you just need to join this app. So something like that. That's basically the idea of the app. It's available in US. So pretty cool idea. So this is kind of like Meetup combined with some like friends dating app. In here to participate, you actually need to go to real live events. So this is the part of the app. In some other kind of like friends finding apps, you can just interact online. Here you actually need to go outside, so it can be nice, interesting app. So yeah, try it out.